Better trading, better life sounds like both things that I like in my life. And that's the slogan for Bitget, the brand new crypto exchange that's making big moves such as Juventus Soccer League team whose previous major sponsors were Adidas and Jeep. Now look who's gracing the left sleeve. Bitget, everybody wants to know him. Hey, what's the best broker to use? So in today's video, I will talk about everything that you need to know about Bitget. Before then, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell for more videos like this one. Let's jump right into it. To emphasize copy trading and QuantoSwap, two unique products. Bitget have the largest copy traders groups with over 13,000 registered. Followers reach 380,000. Traders have earned over $100 million in total income, while followers have collectively made over $120 million. Bitget launched the platform token BGB in 2019, with predictable expectations with the possible trend as BNB FTT. When you use BGB as margin to trade margin on Bitget, you get a trading fee discount up to 30%. Let's have a look at some top advantages of Bitget Exchange. 1. No KYC, no VPN needed. 2. No withdrawal limits. Others exchanges only can allow 3 times a day. 3. Competitive trading fee. Maker 0.02% and taker 0.06% fee. 4. Copy trading for sure. 5. QuantoSwap. 6. Join through Satoshi link only to get over $500 bonus. 7. Partnership with Juventus and PGL and Team Spirit. 8. Top 3 exchange in derivatives trading volume. 9. Also have a spot section, listed over 200 tokens and will be more popular ones. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the platform. See if it's worth our while, of which, just by the looks of my brief going through it, it's actually a really cool, fluid, and smooth program. You know, a lot of times when you're using these other programs, sometimes it's glitch, sometimes there's delays, and you'll see when we look at the actual platform, it's actually very fluid in the sense that things just move and things just react when you click it, which is very good and important when you're day trading or actively trading a spot or futures. You don't want delays in your trading executions or in your charting or anything like that. So we're gonna get into that and actually look at the platform. But basically what Bitget is a spot and futures exchange. And they also have copy trading, which is actually really cool, especially for people who aren't too experienced but want skin in the game and want to make some money without making a bunch of stupid mistakes. So just scrolling down through the actual homepage, why choose us? They have unique products, trust the security and management, excellent customer service, dedicated derivatives exchange, compliant operations across the globe. Which is interesting because there is no KYC verified, and I believe the maximum withdraw daily is 20 Bitcoins, which is quite sizable when compared to other exchanges out there. So you're allowed a lot of freedom to move money in and out of the actual exchange. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and take a look at futures, because I believe that's what they do want to focus on as mostly a futures exchange. Let's just take a look at the USDT futures. Looks like they have a beginner's guide going through how to open and close your trades. And as I said, just looking at the actual exchange here, just looking at the order book, I love the way that this is moving in a fluid motion, very clean, but as of right now, things are moving very smoothly, and it's actually got decent liquidity when we look at the volume being traded here on Bitcoin. So liquidity, I don't think, is an issue in the future. And just here's the available tokens, which is a decent sized list of tokens. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, ADA. Everybody loves ADA, so they say, and they don't make any money on it because it never moves there. We got Dogecoin, Solana, one of my favorites, BNB, which has been pumping lately, and now taking a little bit of a slight dip. But overall, I do really like the actual platform. I think the leverage max here is up to 75. It could be higher, depending on how much you actually have deposited in the account. Right now, 75x. If you're doing anything over 50, I think that's stupid. So 75x, I think, is plenty on the actual exchange. They also have simulation, which is really cool, because then this allows people to test their trading abilities. And maybe, if they can't even make money in the simulation, maybe they shouldn't actually try trading their own money on the actual futures exchange. And maybe they should actually look into copy trading, which is what we're going to look at next. What is Bitget copy trading, and how does it work? One of the most popular functions on the Bitget market is copy trading. The idea behind copy trading is simple. You follow a professional trader who has built a technique that you can immediately duplicate and make the identical trades as they do in real time. The advantage is that you won't have to constantly monitor market activity and make deals because your chosen trader will do it for you. Before you begin copy trading, there are a few things you need to do. The first step new traders should take before beginning to copy trade is to explore and evaluate the copy trading page. This form of trading can be profitable only if you follow a professional trader that bases his or her trades on knowledge rather than luck. Going through a trader's profile and studying their trading history might help you obtain a better picture of them. How can I get started with Bitget copy trading? Here shows all the transactions, and so you can see here profit and loss ratio for the last 3 weeks. 86% cumulative profit and loss ratio, 122% win rate, 86%, so this guy's got a pretty high win rate. He has 2,700 people following him, so that's quite a bit. So if you have 2,700 people following you, each giving you however much money they have, or they have $1,000 in their account, or $100,000 in their account, you end up splitting the profits with that person. On top of that, guys, you also have the spot trading, which is typically what I do mostly right, because I'm more of a speculative trader. I'm looking for some of the newer coins that are making, 10 to 20x gains in a short amount of time. And most of the coins that are doing that aren't trading on futures usually have a little bit lower liquidity. They're a little bit newer to the game. They don't have enough volume and liquidity to actually be transitioned into the futures aspect of trading. And you can see again, as I was talking about just the fluidity and the smoothness of the platform, if you look at the order book. I just love the way the animation looks as far as the order book moving up and down, right? When you look at other brokers, you don't see this kind of fluid motion. So I don't know what they're doing, if they just have a different developer that's doing this, or is this a different animated code in the backend, but I think it just looks really cool. Does that affect or make you a better trader? No, just as far as looking at the platform, I thought it looked cool. They have a decent sized list of coins. One that's really cool is Atlas, with which I can't trade with my brokers. I trade this on using the Phantom wallet. You look up here, right, so I'm trading Atlas on a DEX using Radium. So I have 739,000 tokens of Atlas worth about $131,000, up $12,000 today. But on here, they actually have the Atlas token, which is not traded on Altcoin or Binance or a lot of the major other exchanges. So cool to see that they have Atlas. It's good to have, other smaller tokens on some of these newer platforms, because that can also bring in more adoption to the platform, because some of the major exchanges haven't listed these yet. So I definitely am bullish on Atlas. So that's the spot trading platform for Bitget. They also have the reward center right here. So basically, a lot of people that are just getting started obviously get $630 in rewards for completing tasks, especially if you only have $1,000 in your account. That's basically like a 63% gain on your account. So cool to see that they have all these actual rewards. Just for registering, you get a $10 coupon, your first deposit coupon with 10% of your deposit amount. Then your reward will be capped at $100. You get a $5 coupon for following Bitget on social media and retweet any tweet to get $5. Actively trading for 15 days, including spot trading and futures trading, you can get $100 coupon cumulative trading. Complete 3 futures trades and get a 10% coupon. You live trade and complete 3 futures trades and get a coupon with 10% off your transaction fee. With 3 closing trades, the reward will be capped at $200. Use BGB for the first time, which is their official token, to get more rewards. So cool that they're offering, $630 to people who are just getting started. If you actually know how to participate, it's kind of like a play to earn aspect of what you know. All these gaming NFTs are actually doing within the broker, so cool to see that they have $630 worth of tokens worth of rewards for new users, But overall, guys, it's actually a pretty cool platform. As I said, just the fluidity of the platform, smoothness of loading the charts, everything is this quite a bit smoother than most brokers out there I've seen. But anyways, I would give it a pretty solid score for a bit. I think they're gonna make moves and continually have adoption across the board in the crypto space. So let me know what you think about this platform. If you've used it, if you're considering potentially switching over, obviously switching brokers can sometimes be a big decision. But again, I believe there is no KYC verification required for USA, and you can have a maximum deposit of 20 Bitcoin per day, which is quite sizable. So hopefully you did enjoy this video and found some value. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.